Welcome to this BoldDesk tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to set up multi-branding in BoldDesk so you can create separate branded support portals, control who can manage them, and keep tickets organized across teams. For this demo, we're going to say that a company wants separate customer portals for its mobile phone and laptop product lines, since they have different branding. First, let me explain how multi-branding works in BoldDesk. You create a brand for each product line or business unit, and each brand gets its own customer portal experience tied to that brand, typically with its own customer portal, so customers see the right identity and submit requests in the right context. On the agent side, your team can still work from a single BoldDesk workspace while viewing and filtering tickets by brand. Now let's start the setup. First, I will show you how to enable the required permissions to configure roles and brands. Log in to the BoldDesk portal as an administrator and navigate to the Admin module. Click to open Roles and Permissions. You can see the default roles and a description of what each role can do. Click Create Role to open the role configuration page. Then enter a role name and a short description so it's clear what this role is for. In the Permissions area, locate the Admin module permissions, turn on the Admin switch, and enable the Manage Brands permission. Click Create to save the role. To assign this role to agents, click the Add Agents option, choose the agents you want from the drop-down, and then click Add. Click Save to confirm. The agents will now appear under the role and can manage the brand-specific settings based on the permissions you defined. Next, I will show you how to create multiple brands. Go to the Admin module, and under the General section, click Brands to open the Brands listing page. This is where you'll see existing brands and their details. Click Add Brand to create one. On the New Brand page, enter the brand name and the subdomain name. When you create a brand, BoldDesk automatically creates a customer portal for that brand, and you can white label it so the portal matches the look and feel of that product line. Click Add to create the brand. After it's created, you'll see it in the Brands list, and you'll be taken to that brand's customer portal settings so you can configure it. Repeat the same process to create your second brand, such as Laptop Support, using a different brand name and subdomain. Now, on the customer side, the mobile phone customer portal shows the mobile phone support identity and options, and the laptop portal shows the laptop support identity and options, which reassures customers they are in the right place. On the agent side, you don't need separate logins or separate help desks to manage this. Agents can access tickets across brands from the same BoldDesk interface, and when they need to focus on one, they can filter the ticket list by brand. This is a simple workflow improvement that matters a lot when you're juggling multiple queues. And if an agent wants certain brands to appear by default whenever they open the ticket list, they can set preferred brands in their personal settings. Now, let me show you how to manage brands. Go back to the Brands listing page. Click the More Options menu next to a brand, and you'll see the management actions available. Configure Brand opens the full settings where you can customize the portal's appearance, domain, email settings, and automations for that brand. If you need to adjust naming, Edit Brand Name lets you update how the brand name appears, and Edit Brand Signature lets you change the email signature used for outgoing messages for that brand. If one brand should be treated as the primary brand across the help desk, you can use Set as Default Brand. If you need to temporarily disable a brand, Deactivate Brand disables the brand entirely, but it can be reactivated later. If you only want to hide the customer-facing portal while keeping the brand available internally, you can deactivate the customer portal instead. And if a brand is no longer needed and you're sure you want it gone, Delete Brand permanently removes it and it can't be undone. For extra help, check the links in this video's description for related BoldDesk articles and setup guides. In this video, you saw how to set up multi-branding in BoldDesk. If this video helped, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more BoldDesk tutorials. Thanks for watching.